Mediasonic 8-bay USB-C enclosure. Massive 192 terabyte storage without the NAS price. Ever feel buried under a mountain of drives, tangled cables, and sluggish transfers? Watching your workstation crawl while you try to wrangle dozens of hard drives is frustrating and soul-draining. Losing focus, wasting time swapping disks, or hunting for missing files kills your productivity and your sanity. You need a smarter, faster way to handle storage chaos without the constant stress. Now imagine deadlines looming, projects piling up, and renders backing up like a traffic jam. Your old setup can't keep pace, fans whine, drives overheat, and file corruption looms. Missed backups, delayed edits, and stalled streams create a creeping burnout. The frustration builds, every spinning HDD tray reminds you of wasted energy and lost opportunities. The struggle is real, and it's relentless. Meet the Mediasonic H82-SU31C, 8-bay USB 3.2, Type-C Enclosure, your storage superhero. Supporting up to 8 by 24 terabytes drives, 192 terabytes, with blazing 10 gigabits per second USB-C transfers, and UASP acceleration, it turns chaos into order. Hot-swappable trays, individual drive power switches, dual cooling fans, and S.M.A.R.T monitoring ensure safety, speed, and silence. One filmmaker shared how this enclosure saved the day mid-documentary, migrating 12 external drives in minutes without a single hiccup. The aluminum chassis dissipates heat like magic, keeping drives 10 to 15 degrees Celsius cooler than competitors. Windows, Mac, Linux, it doesn't care. Need massive storage without NAS costs? This is your answer. The H82-SU31C doesn't just store data, it transforms your workflow, declutters your desk, and finally gives you breathing room to focus on what matters, creating. Why are pros, influencers, and data hoarders raving about the Mediasonic H82-SU31C? Beyond massive capacity and speed, it streamlines workflow with tool-free, hot-swappable trays and individual drive control. Experts note its dual cooling fans with thermal sensors keep hard drives whisper quiet, while UASP and S.M.A.R.T support ensures flawless, monitored transfers. Reviewers highlight 400 megabytes per second sustained writes in RAID 5 setups, ideal for 4K and 8K video editing, animation studios, and media servers. Users gush about easy integration, Mac, Linux, Windows, plug and play, zero fuss. Influencers report decluttered workstations and simplified offsite backups. Curious why your editing rigs, Plex servers, or backup arrays feel like a breeze with this unit? Real customers swear by its reliability, no crashes, no lost footage, smooth large file handling, and insanely quiet operation. Imagine spinning up any drive instantly, monitoring health in real time, and finally ditching your messy cable nightmare. The H82-SU31C is efficiency, control, and raw storage power all wrapped in sleek aluminum. Limited stock alert. Don't wait, join thousands who've revolutionized their storage with the Mediasonic H82-SU31C. Act now to secure 192 terabytes potential, blazing 10 gigabits per second USB-C speed, hot-swappable drives, and whisper-quiet dual fans. Perfect for creators, IT pros, and data hoarders craving control and efficiency. Seize this chance to declutter, accelerate, and protect your data like a pro. Upgrade today, your workflow deserves it, and your drives will thank you.